Here is the biggest lie in content creation. You need expensive cameras, lights, or the latest gadgets to get started. That is definitely not true. You don't need all of that. You just need a cell phone with a camera and a self-confidence. When I started, I didn't have fancy setups. No expensive microphones, no professional lightings, sometimes not even the most quiet background. All I had was my phone and the courage to hit the record. And guess what? That's all the really you need. Because the truth is, the internet doesn't have care about how shiny your equipment is. It cares about your message, your story, and your authenticity. Think about it. Some of the biggest creators today started with nothing. Just a phone, a corner of the rooms, and a dream that one day they will one of the biggest name in content creation and to earn also. They didn't wait for the perfect time and perfect setup. They created with what they had, and that's why they grow. Because people don't connect with gadgets. They don't connect with fancy or most expensive gadgets. They connect with people, your passion, your creativity, your unique way of looking at the world. That's what makes people stay and watch your content. If you keep waiting until you can afford expensive and if you keep waiting until you can afford expensive gears or equipments for your content creation, you will never start. And if you never start, you will never grow. Every video you make with what you have now, that is a practice. That is already a progress. That is experience that money can never buy. So, as you listen now, so don't hold back. Just because you're not ready, I will tell you, you are now ready. Use the light from your window, just like what I did. Use your voice, your ideas, and your stories. Start small, and as you start, be consistent of what you're doing. Improve as you go. Because here, because it is the secret. Your consistent doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be real. And who knows, the video you record today with nothing but your phone and courage could be one that gives viral tomorrow. So stop waiting for expensive things to make you as a creator. You are already a content creator. Start now. Start with what you have, and the rest will I will surely follows.